So this is my completely unhinged method for concealer that refuses to crease. And yes, it looks like a lot of steps, and it is, but it works. So you have your concealer on, looks good, great. Now the real work begins. Firstly, take a brush and the tiniest spritz of setting spray, and now gently tap. No swiping, tap, tap, tap. Next, with a fluffy brush with the smallest amount of pressed powder, lightly tap right on top. Okay, you're still with me? Great. Next step. What we're gonna do is go back in with the setting spray on that first brush. I know it feels wrong, but you just have to follow along with me. Another light tap. So now it's time for the main event. Grab your powder puff or a sponge and dip it into loose powder. Now press it in to lock everything down. What you want now is a final mist of setting spray from a distance. And for the last step, you want to go back in with whatever is left on the powder puff. Just one last press for good measure. I know it looks complicated, but it is a system of tiny, thin layers. Nothing is caked on here because you're not just putting on makeup, you're building it. And it's a rhythm that you can get into. Spray, tap, powder, press. It will become second nature after a while, I promise. And suddenly a process that seemed insane now just makes sense. And your under eyes are going to thank you for it all day long. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share, because I don't drink or do drugs. This is all I have.